Hey everyone, it's the Kalon Sphere, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Eton Elite Executive. So, as you can see, this is what the receiver looks like, and the leather case. It's AM, FM, long wave, short wave with SSB. And here's kind of like the frequency information. Wow, it goes up to 29 megahertz, so it'll allow me to get WWV on 25 megahertz and 20. So 118 through 137, it's kind of unfortunate because some airband channels are 108 to 118. I guess that's what the SDR is for. But we'll see. So here are all the features and kind of the back of the receiver. We got this little tape thing that I've got. It pops off easily. So here's what it looks like. So here's the owner's manual and a plug-in. It's a nice soft leather case. So we're gonna kind of unravel this a little bit. It's perfectly wrapped, so that's actually going to be really nice. It won't be so perfectly wrapped here in a minute when I get to plugging it in. So I've got an outlet right here. And we are now ready to plug in this receiver. So this is what it looks like out of the box. Here's the antenna in the back of it. Yesterday I watched the review video from Todderbert. I'll put that video in the description. I highly suggest you guys watch it. He does better reviews than I do. This is actually the second type of review video I've ever done. So I got this used $100. So let's hope it doesn't have any sort of... This thing's magnetic. That's cool. So this is what it looks like. And we're going to plug it in. I don't feel like adding batteries to it right now. I gotta find... Oh, you plug it in on the other side. Okay. I didn't want a mistake of... So here's what it looks like. I do have batteries. I should put batteries in it. Let's go ahead and kind of pull out the antenna. This thing has a very long antenna. This might be the second or the first longest antenna of any radio that I have. So that'll be really nice for DXing. Alright, so you got the volume knob, you got the tuning wheel. It's locked right now. There you go, it just disappears.
According to police, Thomas stormed the home of a rabbi during a Hanukkah celebration.
So this station right here comes out of the
Tri-Cities.
An
elderly victim is still in critical condition.
This is KFLD Tri-Cities. So that should show you guys right now that it's really good. So from this angle, it's clear you can't really see the frequency. At least I can't from the angle that I'm recording, so I'll deal with it later. There you go. That's nice. This is KWIQ. Transmitter's only a few kilometers away. Let's tune to... see if we can do this. Nice. Can we enter? Sorry guys, I'm just experimenting with it. Oh. Trust me, I'll get to this eventually.
Anymore.
There you go.
There are programs in place to help you get free. You don't have to pay the entire...
Alright, let's go to AM. It's KNWR. So it doesn't get KBBX right now. It is daytime, so... Here's the airband. I'll figure it out as we go. Let's see. Nope. So it does not support the weather band. Here's AM, long wave. So we've got a beacon in my area, so that's nice. That is nice. So 20. So anyway, that is really nice. So this is sidebands. Let's go to FM and check its RDS feature out. Oops. Let's go to one that does have a PTY. Oops. Here. Yeah. I'm trying to look for one with ads so I can... This will probably be better. There we go. So that's 89.1 KFAE. It should have RDS, KLLU.
But if the esas conductas pasan.
Holy fuck.
Coming up right now, Keith Urban, and we were.
That's pretty nice. Yeah. That's KIOK.
Found God. Look, what more could you ask for?
Get all the hits right here.
So that's what we've got for this receiver. I'm going to experiment it on my own now. Thanks everybody for watching, and have a great New Year's.